Today we will learn about apples and its grow on trees. So let's begin with me. What is apple? Apples are farm fruits. They grow on trees. Lots of apples grow on each tree every year. Apples hang from the tree by their stems. Growing the tree. An apple tree takes a long time to grow. It grows from a seed. It takes a few years before a tree begins to grow apples. Growing apples. The apple tree grows flowers in spring. Growing up of apples. An apple tree needs water and sunlight to grow. It needs bees and to visit the flowers. Spring forests can kill the flowers. Then there will be no apples that year. Ready to eat. Large ripe apples are easy to pick. The stem is easy to snap when the apple is ripe. Stem. Pick the apple by twisting it. The shapes of the apple and its sizes. Type sour and sweet.